Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to display a text in the text box in VB.NET or Visual Basic.NET. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. We have here a form 1. We go to the text box and then we select toolbox, text box, and then drag to the form. Okay, we try to make it much bigger. Double click, and then here the properties here, method type. Let's say we have load. No. Okay, load. We click the form, and then we have here text text box 1.text equals hello VB.NET double quotation. Now what is the command means, no? When we run the code, it will display the text hello VB.NET on the text box 1, this one. Okay, so let us click the play button here, start debugging. Okay, as you can see, when the form load, it will display hello VB.NET. That's it, very simple. Okay guys, so this is the end of our short tutorial video on how to display text in the text box in VB.NET or Visual Basic.NET. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.